Hello, and welcome to our Airstream kitchen, the heart of our tiny home. Back in 2018, we took you on a tour of our kitchen, but a lot has changed since then, including 2 new additions to our family and a whole re-renovation of this entire space. So I thought it was time to do another tour of the new and improved tiny Airstream kitchen. I'm going to be sharing with you everything from what's in our fridge to the appliances we use on a daily basis, organization, tips and how we just stay organized in this small space, as well as like things that we like to eat on a daily basis, the 4 of us. Yes, including our dog. We make his food from scratch. Some of you watching this might be thinking of or already starting to renovate a tiny space, and you're looking for tips and advice and tricks of really optimizing that space that you have. Or you're just somebody that really likes kitchen tours. I'm one of those people. I love those videos. I love all tour videos. But before we get into this video, I want to thank our sponsor for this video, Evive, a brand that we found out about just over a year ago and has been part of our daily lives ever since. Evive makes nutritious blender-free smoothies that are plant-based, easy, and quick to make. Each wheel is packed with high-quality ingredients, including organic fruits and vegetables, superfoods, and proteins. There are no added sugars. They use stevia instead. Each wheel is gluten-free, non-GMO, and certified organic. I'm going to show you our Evive stocked freezer later on in this video, and don't forget to check out the video description because we are giving our audience a special offer from Evive. The kitchen is the heart of the Airstream. It's actually what takes up the most amount of space in our tiny home and where we spend the most amount of time because we like to cook and we especially like to eat. So we spend a lot of time here. Let's start with this side of the kitchen. We have our 2-burner stovetop. It's an induction stovetop, which means we have to be plugged in to use it. Which the downside of that is if we're off grid, it does take up a lot of, like we have solar, so it does take a lot of energy. So if we were to use it, we can't really use it that long. So it's better to be plugged in when you're using this. And we used to have a oven here that was ran off propane, but we never used it. I think we used it twice in like 3 years. So it was taking up a lot of space. It was all of this, all of this space here. And now that we've removed it, we have so much more storage space for things like pots and pans, as well as extra pantry items. So that has been really a good use of the space, whereas the oven was not. And we added a new addition to this kitchen, which we use multiple times throughout the day, our Ninja 9-in-1. It's the best appliance. It's got all of the options from baking to toasting to dehydrating. We can dehydrate like fruits and vegetables here, which is so cool. We have an air fryer, an air broiler, an air roaster. I don't even know the difference, to be honest. We just use air fry all the time. I'll take you underneath. So again, this used to be where the oven was, but now we get to use it for all our extra pots and pans and pantry items, especially now that we're a family of 4 and not just 2. There's more of us eating, so we need more food. And it's nice to not have to go to the grocery store like every other day. We can go like once a week because we have extra space now. Welcome to our pantry. I love this part of the kitchen because it has a lot of goodies. We have a lot of our snacks here. We often have medjool dates and raisins and apricots. We really like those in our family. And we have other canned goods like beans and coconut milks and creams and tomato paste and such, as well as at the bottom shelf we have like our baking supplies because we like to do random baking sessions, especially with Kai. She's really loving baking and just being part of the cooking process lately. So if it's like a rainy day, let's make some cookies or something. And we got all the stuff for that. Here we've got 2 very large deep drawers, and then the bottom one is like a half drawer because behind it is our wheel well, but we still want to utilize the space, so we included a drawer there still. And up here we've got our cutlery as well as our bowls and our plates and our utensils. Here is containers, our salad bowl, salad spinner, other like, oh actually, I gotta show you something. It just came to mind that it's in here. If you're a parent, you absolutely 100% need one of these. A coffee warmer. Go get yourself one. Life changer. And in the bottom, we have all of our spices as well as some teas and coffee substitutes. Now, if you've been following us from the very beginning of our Airstream journey, when we first picked this bad boy up and started our first renovation, then you probably realize that now there's a wall. We didn't have a wall before. This was actually down. The barnwood that we use as our countertop is actually from a 100-year-old barn that my brother-in-law knocked down and gave us the wood to use in the Airstream. But this ran all the way to the bed at the back. It was like one long countertop. But when we had our daughter, we needed somewhere to put her so she could sleep, so she could have her own room. So we built this wall, and now she has her room actually on the countertop. And we wanted to keep the barnwood and create this like feature wall, which is one of my favorite parts of the kitchen now. And used extra pieces of barnwood to make this shelf, which I love. And we have our favorite coffee cups hanging here, and our oils for cooking, our coffee grinder and more coffee substitute. And then our fruit on display because we love fruit and we just think it's beautiful. They're so colorful, and just to have it, you know, like out in the open, I think really adds a lot of color to our kitchen. We also wanted to add more to the wall because it was blank before. We never had anything up here, and it looked really like kind of boring, to be honest. So we put some of our top spices, and by top I mean like the spices we use regularly, up here, as well as this utensil holder, which is really good even when we're driving. Everything stays up. Occasionally one of these might fly off, but I mean no damage or anything, but we can just like leave this hanging, which is awesome. If you're renovating a home on wheels that is going to be moving with you, it's really important to think of when you're driving, what's going to happen inside. Things are going to shift, things are going to fall. So like, what can you do to really like make it so as much of your items are secure as possible so you don't have to take everything down? And that's what we kind of thought more about when we re-renovated the kitchen. So this, for example, like we don't have to take any of this down. It stays up. Or our spices, these magnets are like really strong. They never fall off. So the spices are fine, they can stay. Or this part of the shelf here, we added this bar here so that nothing, like these can stay up here. They don't have to come down. They don't fly off or anything. They're secure, they're safe. We don't have a vent above our stovetop, but we do have our fan right above the stovetop. So whenever we're making things and it gets steamy in here, we're cooking things, we just open this fan, get it running so it pulls the air out, and then open another fan or the door so it has air coming in. So it like creates the cycle of getting rid of that humidity or the smoke, whatever is happening. We definitely do not want to get it too humid here. That's something that we have to always be conscious of. Welcome to the other side of the kitchen. And my favorite, everything's my favorite, I find. I'm about to say, I just want to say like this is my favorite because I guess everything is my favorite. And that's important when you're living in a tiny space. Everything should be your favorite. But this is our Berkey. Creates delicious clean water for us. It has an awesome filtration system, and we've actually added in some Centavia mineral stones at the bottom to just add extra minerals into our water as well. And this is what we drink from all the time, no matter where we are. This wall was white for a couple of years, and it was, again, boring. Like we wanted to add more character, more personality to the Airstream because it has a loud personality. We wanted to, let her shine. So we added this wallpaper. It's a peel and stick wallpaper. It was super easy to apply and not messy at all. And yeah, I really, really love this design. These drawers here, they're deep drawers. They're smaller, but they're deep and they still fit a lot. Up here we have our supplements. And in the middle here we have all of our cups. And at the bottom it's like a random knick-knack drawer and potato drawer, apparently, because there's potatoes in there. We kept our kitchen sink because it's great. It's deep. It allows us to, put as many dishes in there and avoid them as long as possible. It happens all the time. Let's go. We have our blender, which we use for, everything, even soups. You can make soups in it. We do that. We've been doing that a lot lately. The other appliances that we use on the regular here are our food processor. juicer, our almond cow, which makes plant-based milk, so good. And our newest addition, our popcorn maker, which has really come in handy. It's been used a lot so far. We like to have movie nights. We'll cozy up in our king-size bed in the back, or we'll have projector nights outside, and Kai's friends will come and watch as well, and we'll have popcorn and watch, yeah, awesome movies. It's so good. Okay, so we had a different fridge before, and it just wasn't cutting it. We make Atlas's food from scratch, so we need storage for his food, our food, and we needed just something bigger, and we wanted a freezer because our last fridge did not have a freezer. So this actually is a fridge and a freezer in one, and it allows us to store our Evive as well as all of our other food and stuff. So we'll go in there in a sec. I'm just going to show you here. So before we had our recycling bin and our garbage can here, but when we added this fridge, it's a lot bigger, or significantly bigger than our other fridge. So we had to cut part of this cupboard. And now it's just like a storage spot for our vacuum, some garbage bags, as well as our broom, our fly swatter. Also, when you live in the great outdoors, fly swatter is something you absolutely need. Only flies, don't kill the bees. We are curious creatures, therefore I'm sure you really want to know what's in this fridge. What is behind this door? Let's find out. Welcome to our fridge. The new and improved fridge. I love this fridge. It's from Dometic. It is awesome. And the fact that it has a freezer is just like so good. So good. It is a DC fridge, so it runs on battery power. It's actually a pretty large fridge. I mean, you're probably like, what? Compared to our last fridge, I should say, it's large. It just really fits a lot. It doesn't look like it from the outside, but once you open it, you really can put a lot in here. So on the door, we have like all of our beverages, coffee creamers and such. We got some cheeses and always chocolate, always. The middle shelf, we reserve pretty much for condiments. And what's cool about this fridge is one of the shelves has like a cutout because it's like they knew we were condiment people. It allows you to stack a lot of condiments in here. Whereas our old fridge, we actually had to lie the condiments down, and it just like, it was messy. It was messy, unorganized, and it didn't allow us to have all the condiments that we really wanted. Our top shelf, like there's not as much space, so it has to be like smaller items we keep up here, usually like berries. And then the bottom shelf, we reserve for produce, as well as 2 compartments we have at the bottom, we reserve for produce. And this is our freezer. It is packed with Evive. I'm one of those people that will spend double or triple the time in a grocery store than the average person because I'm standing there reading all of the labels and ingredients on every package before I'm even considered to put it into my cart. What I put into my body and what my family puts into their body is really important to me. So the fact that organic fruits and veggies and Evive smoothie wheels are packed with nutrients and flavor too, of course, than most fruits and veggies in the grocery store is so good. And that's because the produce in grocery stores was picked before it was ripe, and that reduces the nutrient qualities. Evive fruits and veggies were picked at the optimal time and flash frozen to lock in all the goodness. This flash frozen process of Evive wheels means they are free of preservatives and allow for more nutrient dense foods and top quality. Evive also adds no added sugar or artificial flavors. They're gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, certified organic, and they do free shipping. First and foremost for me are the health benefits of Evive. Second is how easy it is to prepare breakfast and fast. Parents out there, you know how valuable time is, especially parents to toddlers. Well, it takes like 30 seconds of your time to prepare an Evive smoothie. I hope you enjoyed a tour of our tiny Airstream kitchen. It might be a tiny space, but it has everything that we could possibly need to make cooking and eating enjoyable, nutritious, and delicious. I want to thank Evive again for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to check out the description box below to get your special discount. If you want to keep watching more Airstream tour videos, you can check out our playlist we put together, or head on over to our blog. We got lots of content over there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!